Hi Boxycharmers. Today is the second reveal for the second spoiler, which is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. What a great item. I have been wanting this. It's a Brazilian cream that is packed with different forms of antioxidant. It has coconut in it, coconut oil. It's a super conditioning bum cream, and it's just supposed to be great for your body. It makes it smooth and tight. It has a pistachio caramel scent to it. This is awesome. It retails from $20 to $45. This is great. Now to recap, our first item was the Alamore Cosmetics La Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette, the first they've ever made. It's a new company, so I can't wait to get my hands in the palette to try that out. Please remember to subscribe, and also I have a wonderful monthly giveaway every month. If you'd like to be in for May, I'm giving away the Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette along with a highlight palette from Morphe, but every month I have a giveaway. So please remember to subscribe and check my videos out. Thanks!